that I would have done is I would have let a professional relax my hair, and I would have gone to a professional subsequently after making the decision to relax my hair and let that professional take care of my hair or get my hair on some sort of plan. Get my hair on some sort of plan. I think that would have been a lot easier than trying to relax my hair myself and learn all about relaxed hair and this and this and this and that. And granted, I did do it, and I'm proud of where I came from. And, I learned a lot, but my hair would have been a lot further along if I would have just sought the assistance of a professional from the beginning. And my excuse, the reason why I did not, is because I do have a YouTube channel and I do make hair related and beauty content. So I kind of just took you guys along on the journey with me and turned everything into content. But if you're not a content creator and your goal is not to make hair content, that's not what you're going for. You really just want to relax your hair because you just want to have relaxed hair, I would go to a professional if you can afford it. And if you can't, I would find some way to, work it into your budget somehow, whether it's just going to a professional to just relax your hair, or, if you can afford the whole thing and you go to a professional to relax your hair and then you go see them every other week or every week. That is what I would do. Just because, like I said, you'll save a lot of time in potentially messing up your hair. You'll save yourself a lot of stress if you're not someone who does hair or is good at doing hair. Even me, I think I'm pretty good at doing hair. I can pretty much do any style that you said before me, but I still get nervous on relaxer day and I still make mistakes when I'm doing my own relaxer because I'm doing it on myself. So just to avoid all that, I think it would be easier to go to a professional now. I'm not going to go to a professional now just because, I don't want to say the damage has already been done with my hair, but I pretty much know how to work with my hair, as well as my hair has some different textures going on just because I have relaxed it. I really don't feel like explaining all that to a professional or just having them trying to correct the under processed areas and then end up just messing me up altogether or making me bone straight. And I really don't feel like arguing with someone on, them trying to get me to get more relaxers than I want to get or whatever. I don't want to do that. But again, I would encourage anyone else who is new on the hair journey or new to relaxers to just at least start off with going to a professional. You'll save yourself a lot of time. You'll save yourself a lot of stress. And potentially you will avoid making mistakes and causing yourself setbacks with your hair. Another reason why I think it's good to just go to a professional in the beginning especially is because I know for me, I was so excited to relax my hair and just so excited to start on a new healthy hair journey in the beginning that I was just taking in so much hair content that it can be overwhelming, and you can start taking information from people who may not have the same hair goals as you. And by that, I mean, you might be taking information from someone who likes to wear their hair completely different from you. Like, yeah, y'all both might be relaxed, but y'all just might not be on the same page with what y'all are trying to do. And if you are copying everything that she does, you're not going to have good results, and it might take you a while to actually figure out that that method may not be a bad method, but it just may not be your method. And I have went through that several times. So just to save other people from that, I would encourage you guys to just go to a beautician, go to a stylist who specializes in relaxed hair. I know that's hard to find now, but there are stylists who do relaxed hair. There are stylists who have relaxed hair. All you have to do, or what I have done, when I was trying to find a stylist, I just typed in relaxed hair, I typed in silk press, I typed in all those things on Instagram for my area or areas that are surrounding me. And I just kind of looked at everyone's profile, looked at their work, looked at the type of clients that they did. And I actually did end up finding a couple of stylists that I was interested in that I feel would have been a good fit for me. I just did not end up going to them because, like I said, I feel like with my hair, it's pretty much at the point where it's at and got to the point where it's at because of me. I also make relaxed hair content, so it's beneficial for me to do my own hair and learn my own techniques so that I can share them with you guys. But again, do as I say, not as I do. I would wholeheartedly doing this all over again. And if I was not a relaxed hair content creator, I would just go to a professional. And you know, you don't have to abide by everything they say, but going to a professional is going to save you because they will recommend products tailored to your specific hair type. They will be able to examine your hair for you and make recommendations, as well as they will just they're experienced professionals who can you know, style your hair for you, trim it, do all your treatments and everything, and it'll just take all the worry and stress off of you. That's what I would do if I was a natural girl that was hoping to be relaxed. Let me know if this video was helpful. I hope it was. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I will do my best to answer them, as well as if you are a relaxed hair girly who would like to share your own tips as well for all the newbies, drop them down below in the comments. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.